చెప్పాలంట ఇక్కడికి లైన్గా సిఆర్ గుడికి ఆనంద్ కూడా అడిగి నిన్న
like some hatching table. They are the types of hatching table. First one is separate hatching table, separate. Second one is open under scroll. There are three types of scroll. Double hatch. They have collision across the atoms to take different keys. Different keys. Same index in the hash table. Example of hashing table. Formula is equal to k mod m. Example x is equal to 7 divided by 3.